So Dwayne, we had a suggestion from one of our custom club members is that we do a walk around on the trike. And of course we don't have the trike with us today, but we're going to do a walk around on our Softails, just pointing out what we've done to them and why. So let's do yours first.
Okay, start at the front. All right, so this is a 2019 Softail Deluxe. Shit, it might be an 18. Alright, so this is a 2018 Softail Deluxe. You might notice that the turn signals are missing. I've taken those off. I plan on doing the DK LED fork wraps to it for turn signals. Just haven't gotten around to that yet. I just don't like the way they look. Didn't like the way the OEM signals looked. So I guess we'll move along. Did the floorboard relocation. That moves them out an inch and forward an inch and a half. So it makes it much more comfortable. It gets your heel off the exhaust where the OEM would have your heel resting. It gives you more leg room. You can stretch your legs out more. Overall, I think this is how they should have came from the factory. You'll notice the DK Custom Outlaw 587 high flow air cleaner equipped with the external breather bolts that prevents that crankcase pressure and hot, oily, oxygen depleted air from going back into the intake. So there's a performance benefit there. It's just healthier for the engine overall. Put that on there. It's a nice touch. That's our tri-speed fastener. So these bikes do not come with passenger floorboard attachments. So we made some. Devin made them for me, and you'll notice that it uses the classic style clevis. So you can use the foot pegs that have been around for 30 years instead of the newly over-engineered M8 foot pegs with the wide clevis, with the spring and the ball and all that nonsense.
And can't you get those foot peg things from Harley?
You can get them from Harley. They're about 120 bucks for the pair. Ours are a fraction of that cost. I can't remember what they are, but they're like 60 something bucks. So you can save a lot of money and use a lot more pegs with these. All right, you'll notice this is a Street Vibe seat. A friend of mine hooked me up with that. I just didn't like the OEM seat, just too big. I think this one looks a little better with the tuck and roll pattern. The lay down license plate here, the stock one. I'll try to pull up a picture for you. Stock one stood up like that. Just didn't look as good. It's stock, nothing stock looks that great. And it would catch your foot or pant leg when you kicked your leg over. You'll notice that these are the stock mufflers, but they look a little differently because I cut the tips off, pulled the baffles out, and added the Thunder Torque inserts in there. So there's a variety of benefits to those. I won't go into that, but I'll add a link below so you can check those out for yourself. Come around this side, I added the swing arm purse, aka swing arm bag, and just needed somewhere to put stuff at. I had our buddy Brandon at Devil's Head Choppers make this for me. Thought that was a nice touch. And you'll notice the Taylor cable 409 Pro Race plug wires. They help the bike start faster. They give you more throttle response. They're beefier. They last a lot longer than the OEM plug wires, which are like 8mm. These are 10, and they just look cool. They look a lot cooler on there to me. So yeah, that's about all I've done to this bike. But between myself, Kevin, and everyone else that works at DK, we have a few bikes. If you guys like this video, the walk around, pointing out what we've done to the bike, let us know. Devin has a Street Glide. Kevin has a couple Sportsters, Tri-Glide, Softail, and we'll be sure to get you those videos if that's something you guys would like to see. Hit subscribe, hit that notification bell, and be sure to share this video with your friends. Might help them out.